Hey everybody, this is an update on my Nova Drag or Nova Gasser, the Rat Packer. This is the original kit, or one of the original ones. Now they got it, I think it's pre-released to buy this kit, where you can get it. I do have the body somewhat painted. I don't know if it's lively enough for me. I think once I add some decals and some bare metal foil and some stuff on there, it might be good enough for me. I got the chassis into a roller. I got the engine in there. I gotta do brake lines yet. I gotta glue on the lower pipes. And what I did, I put a hole in it and pinned it, so that way I can glue it onto the right spot. I have to do the interior still. I have the interior pan soaking. I was going to make some door cards. Wanted to do a little bit more than what it was. It was very basic. And there's a whole hell of a lot left to this one. One thing I tried to do was the tachometer from Model Master. I don't know if some of you guys do much of that bare metal, or not bare metal foil, but the photo etch parts. What is the secrets to that? I have no luck at all with that photo etch. Glue don't want to work on it, paint don't want to stick to it. It just falls apart. So I think I'm going to draw one up in CAD and then 3D print it. One thing I better show you guys, I did cut out the grill. So I did cut out the grill and I 3D printed a grill insert and put in there. It's not perfect, but I think it helps with the look, that's for sure. I used some Magic Sculpt because I had a little bit of a gap up here. I filled that gap in, but it looked better than the original one, I think, but it did kind of impede a little bit towards the headlights. Somehow I'm going to have to make them look better. I was going to drill them out, but I like the mounting pins on the back to hold it into the body. That way it actually pulls the front together as well. So, but I'm going to paint this up and I'm going to put the little fuel tank on it. I end up stripping all the chrome and then I gave it a nice coat of chrome paint. So them are the tail lights. I got to paint the red and then I'm going to clear coat those. And then I sanded up the all the mold lines on the rear bumper and gave it that chrome paint. Usually this chrome paint don't like to be clear coated, but I figured maybe it'll look like that aluminum magnesium or whatever it was that they had back in the day for the lighter weight. And that was on some of the drag cars or show cars and stuff. So that is that. I need to get building on it. I think I need to actually start building another kit because I've been on this one for so long it's kind of burning me out and slowing me down. So usually I have about 3 kits to work on, so that way when I get kind of itchy on one I move on to another. So until next time, have a good one.